Poland is a country rich in history and national pride, symbolized by its distinctive white and red flag. At the heart of the nation lies Warsaw, a city that seamlessly blends modern architecture with echoes of its storied past. The bustling streets are filled with people going about their daily routines, from professionals in business districts to artisans in local markets. This vibrant urban life reflects the resilience and determination that define the Polish spirit. Together, these elements paint a vivid picture of a nation that values both tradition and progress. Do you want to work legally in Poland? Then this video is for you. Today, I will explain the complete step-by-step process to apply for a PolandWorkVisa. A PolandWorkVisa is also called a National D-type visa. It allows you to live and work in Poland legally for more than 90 days. The first and most important step is, you must get a job offer from a Polish employer. Without a job offer, you cannot apply for a work visa. After hiring you, your employer will apply for your Poland work permit, also called zezwolenie na pracy. This work permit is mandatory for your visa application. Once your work permit is ready, you need to prepare these documents: valid passport, visa application form, recent passport photos, work permit copy, job contract, travel insurance, accommodation proof, bank statement. Additional documents required in the case of an application for a work visa: National Visa D. A. Original work permit. For our records you can provide copy after presenting original. B. Letter of intent issued by the employer. The letter should confirm the intention to employ the alien as well as the character of employment, the position and the salary of the employee. The document must also include the contact details of the employer as well as the statement on providing the employee with social security scheme in Poland at the actual start of performing employment duties. C. Preliminary employment agreement stipulating place, conditions and character of employment. The document shall be signed by both parties and drawn up in Polish and English. D. Healthcare insurance for a minimum amount of €30,000 covering the territory of all member states of the Schengen area, valid from the moment of entering the territory of Poland until the signing of the employment contract in Poland and subsequently covering it with ZUS insurance. When applying for a visa, it is not required to have insurance for the entire duration of the contract, preferably insurance policy with verifiable QR code. Information of the Minister of Foreign Affairs about the insurers and the insurances that they offer, which meet the necessary conditions referred to in Article 25, 1, 2, a, and Article 25, 1b, of the Act of the 12th of December 2013 on foreigners is available on the website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. List of the insurers and insurances below. E. Proof that you have enough means of subsistence in the form decided by the mission, e.g. bank statement, certificate from your current employer. F. Proof of accommodation. G. Preliminary booking of one-way ticket. I. Work experience certificates, original and its photocopy. J. Copies of educational certificates, if available. Documents confirming the possession of the necessary qualifications, e.g. diplomas, courses. K. CV, biodata. Now you must book an appointment at the Polish Embassy or VFS Center in your country. Appointments are limited, so book early. After booking, you must pay the visa processing fee. Usually, the PolandWorkVisa fee is around €80, but it can vary by country. On your appointment day, you will submit your documents, give fingerprints, biometrics, attend a short visa interview. They may ask about your job, salary, and employer. After submission, your visa processing usually takes 2 to 6 weeks. In some cases, it may take longer depending on embassy workload. Once your visa is approved, you can travel to Poland and start your job. After arriving, you must apply for a residence card if staying long-term. Important tip for success: always apply with genuine documents. Choose a trusted employer. Follow embassy instructions carefully. Don't overstay your visa. So this was the complete step-by-step guide on how to apply for a PolandWorkVisa. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, Comment your questions below. See you in the next video.